In this video, we're going to see how to actually create the movie that we've planned. We're going to use iMovie, and iMovie is one of Apple's flagship products along with GarageBand, two highly creative tools. You might already have experience of making a movie using other software. Using iMovie, you will see how incredibly easy it is to produce a compelling video in a very short space of time. iMovie is highly intuitive to use. So, let's get started. Let's break the creation process down into three sections. First, how to add content to an iMovie project, then how to make changes and refine and improve the content, and finally, how to share the movie. This could be online. So now, we could add the images that we already have. Maybe we've got video content. We'll also look at how you can add text so it appears over the top of images and over the top of videos. We'll look at how you can change the order of clips in your iMovie project and how you can adjust the duration of time of photos and video clips. On our iPad, let's select iMovie, and at the top of your screen you will see three words. We're going to click on Projects and create a new project. You have two choices, trailers or movies. We're going to select Movie. Now on the screen you will see different templates. These are skins that change the way your image looks when you add text to it. For this example, I'm simply going to use the Modern template and click on Create in the top right-hand corner. Our screen is divided into three. In the top left-hand corner is the preview window. In the top right-hand corner is the content library, and it's divided into videos, photos, and audio. And along the bottom of the screen is your timeline. This is where we assemble the images and video and add text to build our project. Let's click on Photos. Notice that our rainforest album appears in here. We can now simply tap the images that we want to appear in our video. Touch and the images will go straight into the timeline. Each image will last for 5 seconds by default, but we can change this. Images can be inserted anywhere in your video. Simply use your finger to scroll through the timeline. Position the white line, called the playhead, where you want to insert the image, and tap the image in your content library. Images in your timeline can be rearranged. Simply hold your finger on the image, move it to where you want it to go, and let go. Now that we've got the images in the right order, let's add text as a title over the top of this image. To do this, simply tap the image once and you'll notice a yellow rectangle appearing around it to show that it's been highlighted. At the bottom of the screen, we now have access to 5 separate tools. Let's click on the T for Titles. A range of different text animations will appear on your screen. Choose one of them, and on the main preview window, tap where it says Title Text here. Now you can enter your own title and click on Done when you're finished. In iMovie, you cannot change the font and you cannot change the size or the color of the writing, but you can change its position. There are two possible places where you can put text on an image. It could be centered or lowered, and these options are available underneath the animations. Inserting video clips into your project is just as easy. Make sure in the content library you've selected video and simply choose the clip you wish to insert. When you select it, you can play it or click on the very first arrow pointing downwards and it will simply drop into the project at the place where the playhead is. Now we can put text over the top in the same way. By default, pictures last for 5 seconds. To change this, tap the picture and simply hold your finger on the large wide band either side of the image. As you stretch it out, the picture will last longer. To make a picture last less long, simply push the yellow band towards the center of the picture. You will see the time duration at the top of the screen in the preview window. Videos can be adjusted in the same way. In this video, you can see the person walking on before they're videoed. Simply touch the video clip, grab hold of the wide yellow band, and push it towards the center of the video, and you are covering up the part you don't want. This is called trimming. In this video, we've had a look at how we can add images and video into a video project in iMovie. We've looked at how to add text, and how to change the order of images, and how to adjust the timing. When you are ready, watch the next video in the series where we'll be looking at how you can refine your video further before we share it.